Namaste everyone. Narayanam namaskritya naram jaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet anugrahaya lokanam avatirnaya vishnave klesha apahaya krishnayaha partha sarataye namaha. So, Bharata Sangraha, first apology. Last class I couldn't take, had to cancel the session because my throat was not okay. So last class we stopped with the curse of Kindama's curse to Pandu, after which he decided to stay back in the forest, and his brother Dhritarashtra, after getting the permission from Bhishma and Vidura, he adorned the throne. So with that, we stopped last class. Now, Pandustu तादृशे व्यसने अपि अनुवर्तमानाभ्यां ताभ्यां भार्याभ्यां सह मुनिजन उचितया वृत्त्या तत्रैव नियमपरः कालं गमयन् राज्यादपि परां निर्वृत्तिम् अवाप. सः कदाचित् पौरमुखेन प्रजावतीम् अन्तर्वत्नीम् अवगत्य क्षुभितमतिः स्वयमपि पुत्रीयन् रहसि ज्येष्ठां भार्यां कुन्तीम् इदम् अवोचत्. So Pandustu Nivrittim Avapa. This is one Panduhu Avapa, subject and the verb. Saha Avochat, he said. So here the meaning of these lines are, so Pandu decided to stay in the forest along with his wives. With taking their consent, they were also ready to stay back in the forest. He led the life of an ascetic. Munijana Uchitaya Vrittya Avasat. Then what happened to him in the forest? He had a happy and a very contented life in the forest than in the kingdom. Then once he came to know from the countrymen, Pauramukaha, from the people of his country, that his brother's wife, Gandhari, is in the family way. She has conceived a child. Hearing this, with an agitated or with a disturbed mindset, he called his first wife, Kunti, and spoke. So this is the meaning of the paragraph. So Pandustu, Tadrishe Vyasane api. Vyasanam means dukkham, kashtam, difficult times. Tadrishe Vyasane api. During that difficult time as well, Anuvartamanabhyam tabhyam bharyabhyam. So Panduhu bharyabhyam saha munijana uchitaya vrittya niyamaparaha kalam gamayanne rajyadapi param nirvrittim avapa. So Panduhu bharyabhyam saha, along with his two wives. So here anuvartana vyasane api anuvartamanabhyam tabhyam. These two words come as an adjective for bharyabhyam. Vyasane api. Vyasanam is kashtam or dukkham or difficult. During difficult times as well. Anuvartamanabhyam. So the wives of Pandu, Kunti and Madri, both of them were with him even during the time of calamity, even during difficult times. So Vyasane api, during the time of difficulty, Anuvartamanabhyam, Vartamana is staying, Anuvartamana is following. So here Vrit and it's a Shanach Pratyaya. So Anuvartamanabhyam tabhyam bharyabhyam saha, with those two wives, Muni Jana Uchitaya Vrittya. So Vrittihi is his lifestyle. So how was his Vyavaharam? Muni Jana Uchitaya. So Muni Janana Uchitam, that which is suitable for an ascetic. Tat Munijana Uchitam, Taya Munijana Vrittya, Uchitaya Vrittya. So it goes as an adjective for Vrittya. Vrittya is in Tritiya Vibhakti. Munijana Uchitaya is also in Tritiya Vibhakti. So he was conducting himself. He led a life which is suitable for a Muni, for a sage. Then Tatraiva means in the forest itself. तस्मिन् प्रदेशे एव इत्यर्थः नियमपरः नियमपरः is नियम एव परः यस्य सः it goes as an adjective for पाण्डुः so पाण्डुः नियमपरः पाण्डुः so how was पाण्डु नियम एव परः परः इत्युक्ते श्रेष्ठः इत्यर्थः नियम is rule so sticking to adhering to the rules so नियम एव परः पाण्डुः मुनिजन उचितया वृत्त्या व्यसने अपि अनुवर्तमानाभ्यां ताभ्यां भार्याभ्यां सह कालं गमयन् spending his time गमयन् is यापयन् it's gum and shatru so गमयन्निच so कालं गमयन् राज्यादपि param nirvritti is relief so he was getting a great sense of relief and the stay in the forest was giving him much more happiness than what he was getting in the kingdom rajyadapi rajya shasanadapi rajye vasanadapi param nirvrittim so nirvritti is a strilinga word so param comes as an adjective for nirvrittim avapa so he attained so panduhu tu tadrishe vyasane api in those difficult time as well these two wives were following him anuvartamanabhyam tabhyam these two comes as an adjective for bharyabhyam saha muni jana ujitaya vrittya so he was leading his how was his vyavaharam he was leading a life that is suitable for an ascetic तत्रैव तस्मिन् वने एव नियमपरः नियम एव परः यस्य सः so one who has taken the oath one who has decided to stay as an ascetic for the remaining part of his life so tasmin niyame parah tadrishe niyame parah इत्यपि वक्तुं शक्यते परन्तु नियम एव परः यस्य सः means one who always strictly adheres to the rules so niyamah eva parah yasya saha so we make it as a bahuvrihi compound and it goes as an adjective for panduh so niyama parah kalam gamayanne kalam yapayanne kalam is time gamayanne is spending after spending rajyadapi param nirvrittim avapa so he got a great relief a great sense of satisfaction so what was the grade what was the gradation what was the level of satisfaction the king was getting in the forest is rajyadapi the satisfaction that he was getting in the forest by sticking to the ascetic life was much better than what he gets in the kingdom so rajyadapi param nirvrittim avapa then saha panduhu kadachit pauramukhena kadachit is once pauramukhena so pauramukha is pure bhavah paurah paurasya mukhena or pauranam mukhena from the mouth or from the words of the citizens prajavatin is gandhari brothers bratuhu patni is called as prajavati so prajavati how was she antarvatni avagatya so antarvatni is garbha madhyastham apatyam ityartha garbini ityartha see there is a sutram called antarvat pativator nuk iti sutrena antarvatni ityarte only for the words antarvat and pativat we can leave it is not for this context if we take the word antarvat for which nuk is an agama the word becomes antarvatni which means garbini ityartha so it is used only in the present context so say antarvatni iti shabdah garbini iti asmin arte prayudyate okay if I say antah asti asyam shalayam gatah iti asmin arte tu शालायाः निर्देशं कर्तुम् अन्तर्वत्नी इति शब्दः नैव उपयुज्यते तत्र अन्तर्वत् इत्येव भवति सो अस्मिन् अर्थे सो यू जस्ट हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड अन्तर्वत्नी इत्युक्ते गर्भिणी इत्यर्थः ओके सो प्रजावतीम इज ब्रदर्स वाइफ सिस्टर इन लॉ व्हाट इज द एडजेक्टिव फॉर प्रजावतीम अंतर्वत्नीम शी वाज अ गर्भिणीम प्रजावतीम अवगत्य इज अव Gam and Lyap, after knowing that the sister-in-law, the brother's wife is in the family way, she is carrying a child in her womb. Kshubita Matihi. So Kshubita Matihi Yasya Saha. Matihi is a Strilinga pada. So you have to use Kshubita. Kshubita is agitated, disturbed. Kshubita Matihi. So here he didn't have an agitation like uh, the brother's wife has conceived. Nothing like that. The brother's wife has conceived. They will be blessed with a child very soon. But in my case, because of such a curse, I may not be blessed with a son for my lifetime. So that is a mindset of Pandu. So Kshubita Matihi Yasya Saha Kshubita Matihi. This Kshubita Matihi goes as an adjective for Saha Pandu. Okay. Swayam Putriyan. Putriyan is in Shatru Pratyam. It's a Namadhatu. Putriya Shatru. Putram Aptum Ichati iti Putriyati. Here Putriyan goes as an adjective for Pandu. How was Pandu? One who was desire of having a child. So Saha Panduhu Kshubitamatihi Panduhu Swayamapi Putriyan Panduhu Rahasi is in a very lonely place. So Rahasi Rahamsi is the Shabdam. It's a Sakaranta Napumsakalinga. It is in Saptami Vibhakti. So Rahasi Pradeshe, Rahaf Pradeshe, in a very lonely place. Jeshtam Bharyam, first wife, that is Kunti, Idam Avojat. He spoke this. Okay. So here, Saha Bharyam, Saha Kuntim Avochat. That is the main sentence. Saha here goes to Pandu. Pandu spoke Avochat. Idam, this to Kunti. Okay. So Saha Kuntim Idam Avochat. What is the adjective for this Pandu? Kshubitamatihi. He was very agitated. And Swayamapi Putriyan, and who also wanted to have a progeny or a son of his own. How? When? At what context he had this agitated mindset? When he came to know, Kadachit, once, Pauramukena, from the words of the citizens, Prajavatim, the sister-in-law, the brother's wife, Antarvatim iti jnatva, avagatya ityukte jnatva ityartha. Prajavatim Antarvatnim iti jnatva, Kshubitamatihi saha Panduhu, Swayamapi Putriyan. See, he also wanted to have a child. So he called his first wife, Jeshtam Bharyam. These two words goes as an adjective for Kunti, Rahasi, in a very lonely place, Idam Avochat. He said these words. Okay, so this is the meaning of the word-to-word meaning. We will do Panduhu tu. Here it is Visarga changing into Sakara. And again, Vyasane api anuvartamanabhyam. So Vyasane pyanuvartamanabhyam. Here you have this Purva Rupam. Api plus anuvartamanabhyam, you have this Yen Sandhi. Tabhyam, anuvartamanabhyam, tabhyam, these two goes as an adjective for Bharyabhyam. Then Munijana Uchitaya is Munijananam Uchitam, Munijana Uchitam. Taya Munijana Uchitaya goes as an adjective for Vritya. Then Tatraiva is Tatra plus Eva is Vriddhi Sandhi. Tatraiva. Niyamaparaha is Niyama Eva Paraha Yasya Saha. Niyamaparaha Saha Raja. Kalam Gamayanne. Gamayanne is Yapayanne. It is Gamadatu and it is in Shatru Pratyayam Niche. Rajyat plus Api, Rajyat Api. Again it becomes Jashtva Sandhi. Param Nirvrittim Avapa. So this Param comes as an adjective for Nirvrittihi. As Nirvrittihi is a Strilinga, we are using Param. Otherwise it will be Param. So Param Nirvrittim Avapa or Apa. In some text it is given as Apa and in some print it is Avapa. Anything is fine. Av is the Upasarga and Ap is the Dhatu. It is in Lit Lakara. Then Saha Panduhu Kadachit Pauramukhena Pauranam Pure Bavaha Pauraha Paurasya Mukhena Pauramukena Prajavatim is sister-in-law. Antarvatnim is the word Antarvatni means Garbha Madhyastam Apatyam. I think in the If you see the Turiya textbook, in the exercise, they have specifically asked grammatical peculiarity for Antarvatni, for which you have to write whatever I said just a few minutes before. So, Prajavati, Antarvatni, Avagatya Tyukte Nyatva. Av is the Upasarga, and Gam is the Dhatu, and Lep. Kshubita Matihi is Kshubita Matihi, Yasya Saha. Again, it goes as an adjective for Panduhu, Saha. Swayamapi putriyanne putram aptum ichati iti putriyati. Here putriya shatru putriyan is prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. It goes as an adjective for saha. Rahasi is in a very lonely place. Jeshtam, Bharyam, these two words goes as an adjective for kuntim. All these are in Dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Idam avochat. Avochat is again bhru dhatu. It is in lung lakara. Okay, so Pandustu Tadrishe Vyasane api Anuvartamanabhyam Tabhyam Bharyabhyam Saha Munijana Uchitaya Vritya Tatraiva Niyamaparaha Kalam Gamayan Rajyadapi Param Nirvrittim Avapa Sakadachite Pauramukhena Prajavatim Antarvatnim Avagatya Kshubitamatihi Swayamapi Putriyan Rahasi Jeshtam Bharyam Kuntim Idam Avochat. Okay. So the next is Ayi Shruyatehi Bahavaha Duscharena Tapasapi Asadhyam Lokam Prajaya Saditavantaha iti. Pitaro api Putravata eva nyukte Jalanjalau Kutukinaha Bhavanti. Utsangagatam Arbakam Upalalayan Tad Alingana Kalabashitadi Abhignaha Yona Bhavati Tasyeva Anyate Ramyam Bhavati Natu Tatswadam Vidushaha. The last two lines I had said it in the trailer video. It's a beautiful sentence actually. So we'll see the whole meaning of the paragraph. So it's a well-known fact, or it's popularly heard across the world, that the world, Hihalokam and Paralokam, both the worlds, which are very difficult to attain or reach, even after performing difficult penance, these two worlds can be enjoyed if a person is blessed with a son or progeny. Okay. Even the ancestors are delighted only by the oblations of water offered by a person who has a son. One doesn't have a son, even if he gives Tilodakam, Vasodakam, whatever he gives, no, the ancestors are not pleased by that oblation. So one who does not, then this Utsangagatam Arbakam is one who does not fondle a child on his lap and not knowing the feeling of feeling or the happiness or the excitement of embracing his child, and one who has not listened to the sweet words or lisping sound of the child, that person only will what he will do, he will appreciate other things in the world. But a person who has enjoyed all the above pleasures, what are the pleasures? Utsangagatam Arbakam. Arbaka is child. So Utsanga is lap. One who has made his own child sit on his lap, Upalalayan, and one who was fondling it, one who was cajoling the child by making him sit on his lap, then Alingana Kalabashitam. Alinganam is embracing, hugging him. And Kalabashitam is the lisping sound or the lisping words. The sounds of the words of a small infant baby will not be very clear, very vague pronunciation, but it's very sweet to hear such words. So a person who has not enjoyed these things, abhignaha is recognized. Abhijanati iti abhignaha. So one who has not seen or heard these things only will appreciate the other things in the world. Tasyaiva, to that person only, anyate ramyam. Ramyam is beautiful. Only for such person or such people, the other things, the rest of the things in the world will delight them. Nadu tat swadam vidhu. Swadam is taste. Ruchina solrom இல்லையா? One who has tasted nanna ஒரு சாப்பாட்டை டேஸ்ட் பண்ண போறோம், We don't like hotel food. Like that, Natu Tad Swadam Vidushaha, one who has tasted all these wonderful experienced. Here, Swadam is not tasting. One who has not experienced all these above. Utsanga Gatam Arbakam na Upalalitam. Alingana Kalabashitadi na Shrutam. तस्यैव पुरुषस्य अस्मिन् लोके भिन्नविषयाः सन्तोषं यच्छति प्रयच्छति न तु तत् स्वादं विदुषः but a person who has enjoyed all these things, they don't enjoy anything else in this world. So this is the word meaning of the paragraph. So the whole thing is this is the conversation between Pandu and Kunti. Pandu is expressing his grief for not having a child to Kunti. So, Ai is just like we say bho, no? Ai, a patni, it's like that. Shruyatehi bahavaha duscharena tapasapi asadhyam lokam prajaya saditavantaha. So, lokam shruyatehi. So, it's been heard. It's in passive. We have heard what? Bahavaha duscharena tapasapi. Duscharaha is difficult. Dukkena charati iti duscharaha. It goes as an adjective for tapasa. So duscharena tapasa api asadhyam. Sadhyam, which need to be accomplished. Na sadhyam asadhyam, which cannot be accomplished. So the things that cannot be accomplished even after performing difficult penance. Bahavaha janaha न प्रजया साधितवन्तः. बहवः is many. बहु बहवः. So बहवः, many people, प्रजया लोकम असाध्यम लोकम साधितवन्तः. So iti श्रूयते. So it's been heard. I have heard from my ancestors, I have heard from my Pauramukhaः that whatever janaha lokam asadhyam lokam prajaya sadhitavantaha. Asadhyam, which is very difficult to be accomplished. It goes as an adjective for lokam. So, ihalokam, paralokam, prajaya. Praja is citizen. Here, prajaya means child. Prajaya sadhitavantaha. Sadhitavantaha is accomplished. So, duscharena api tapasa asadhyam lokam. The world which cannot be achieved or which cannot be reached even after performing very difficult tapasa, very difficult penance. It can be bahavaha janaha prajaya sadhitavantaha. But how many people have achieved that reached that loka? They reached just by performing, just by having children. Okay, sadhitavantaha is in tavadu pratyaya. So bahavaha sadhitavantaha, bahavaha asadhyam lokam sadhitavantaha, bahavaha janaha asadhyam lokam prajaya sadhitavantaha. So how was that? How asadhyam it was? Duscharena tapasapi asadhyam. The asadhyam lokam, the lokam which cannot be reached even after performing very difficult penance. Then iti shruyate lokoktihi. Lokoktihi tadrishaha lokoktihi vartate. So pitaro api, pitaraha here means ancestors. Pitaro api putravata eva nyukte jalanjalo kutukinaha bhavanti. So the Pitaraha is our ancestors also. Putukinaha bhavanti. They are also excited, or they also get delighted only by the Jalanjalihi. So once they pass away, it is only the Tilodakam that we offer them serves as their food in the Aparalokam. So Jalanjalo. So Jala eva Anjalihi yasya. So Jalena Anjalihi, Jalanjalau, Tasmin Jalanjalau, Pitaraha, Putukinaha Bhavanti. So the Pitaraha, the ancestors, are happy or delighted only by that Jalanjali, the water that has been offered as oblation. So Putra, who has to give that oblation? From whom the ancestors get that happiness? Putravata eva nyukte. Putravata is Putraha asya asti iti putravan. Okay, and Putravata is in Tritiya Vibhakti. Putravata eva nyuktam. Nyuktam is sowed. Vap is the dhatu. Here it is a Nikta Pratyam. Ni is the Upasargam and it is in Saptami. Nyukte, it goes as an adjective for Jalanjalo. So, generally, Vapu is to sow something, sowing a seed, Vapati. Okay. Here, Nyukte Jalanjalo is one who is offering the water as an oblation. By whom the ancestors are feel happy when they get such an oblation? When that person who is blessed, who already has a son. Because only with the son, the Vamsha Vriddhi happens. So, Putravata eva. So, by saying that, the daughter is nowhere lesser to any Shastrakaras. Okay. So, because of such these dharmic rites are performed only by a man. But a man cannot perform anything without the help of his wife. Only if the wife says Juhudi, he can start the work. So Patniryo Yajna Samyoge. When she is called as Patni, only when she is associated with her husband while performing a sacrifice. That's why in Ramayanam also, when Rama performed the Ashwamedha Yaga, he made an idol of Sita in the golden idol of Sita, and he made after sending her to Valmiki Ashramam. So without Sita, Rama could not perform any yagam, sacrifice. So that is the level of importance given to women. But directly only the man can do because he only has that Upanayana samskar. Okay. So Pitaro api Putravata eva nyukte jalanjalo kutikinaha bhavanti. So the ancestors also, they are very delighted only by the oblation that is being given by a person who is blessed with a son. So then he says, it is a very generalized statement. Utsangagatam arbakam upalalayanne tat alingana kalabhashitadi bhashitadi abhignaha yona bhavati tasyaiva anyat ramyam bhavati natu tat swadam viduhu. So utsangam here means lap. Utsangagatam is utsangam prati gataha arbakaha. A child who proceeds towards a father's lap or a parent's lap. So Utsanga Gatam. So Utsangam Prati Gataha Arbakaha is a child. So Utsanga Gatam Arbakam. Upalalayanne is cajoling or fondling the child. Upalalayanne. Tat tasya arbakasya tasya shishoho alingana. Alinganam is hugging. So alingana kalabhashitadinam. Alinganam cha kalabhashitadine cha tesham abhigyaha alingana kalabhashitadi abhigyaha. Abhigyaha is abhijanati iti abhigyaha. One who knows. So one who has experienced alingana sukham kalabhashitadi sukham yaha abhignaha yona bhavati. One who has not experienced such delightful experiences in life, tasyaiva purushasya anyat. So here tasya plus eva plus anyat plus ramyam. So many words are there. Tasyaiva purushasya. To that person only anyat ityukte विभिन्न विषयाः लोके वर्तमानाः विभिन्न विषयाः रम्यं भवति. सो भिन्न विषयाः रम्यं भवति तस्यैव पुरुषस्य. न तु तत् स्वादं विदुषः. विदुषः इज विद्वस् इज सकारान्त पुल्लिंग शब्द. इट इज इन षष्टि विभक्ति एकवचनं. विद्वान् विद्वांसौ विद्वांसः इज अ रूपं. सो तत् स्वादं विदुषः पुरुषस्य. सो तस्य स्वादं विदुषः पुरुषस्य अन्यत् न रम्यं भवति. One who has not enjoyed all these things only will appreciate other mundane objects that are available in this world. So this is the meaning. So here Shruyate is Shru Dhatu and it is in Latlakara. It is in passive Karmani. Bahavaha Duscharena Tapasapi Asadhyam Lokam. So here asadhyam goes as an adjective for lokam. Duscharena tapasa. Duscharena goes as an adjective to tapasa. So duscharena is dukkena charati iti duscharaha. Pena duscharena. Tapasa api. Tapasa api. Api plus asadhyam. So here savarna dirgham. Then you have yan sandhi. Api plus asadhyam. Apyasadhyam. Lokam प्रजया साधितवन्तः साधितवन्तः इस् सिद्ध संसिद्धौ इट्स् तवतु प्रत्ययम् and it is prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam iti shruyate. Pitaraha plus api, pitaropi is again, you have this visarga changing into utvam and purva rupam. And putravata plus eva, putravataiva is again putraha asya asti iti putravan, tena putravata. Here putravata plus eva is vriddhi. And nyukte is, ni is the upasarga, vap is the dhatu, and it's a nikta pratyayam, and it is in saptami vibhakti. And Jalanjalihi is Jalena Anjalihi, Jalanjihi, Jalanjalihi, Tasmin Jalanjalo is in Saptami. Kutukinaha Bhavanti is Ini Pratyaya again. Kutukaha Asti Asya iti Kutuki. Kutukin is the Shabdam. Kutukinaha is in Shashti Vibhakti. Kutukinaha Bhavanti. Oh, sorry. Prathama Vibhakti. Kutukinaha Bhavanti. Pitaro api, it goes as an adjective for Pitaraha. Pitaro api Kutukinah Bhavanti. Nyukte putravata eva nyukte jalanjalau pitaropi kutukinah bhavanti. Next, Utsangagatam is Utsangam prati gataha Utsangagataha. Utsangam prati gataha arbakaha Utsanga gata arbakaha tam Utsangagatam arbakam. Upalalayanne is Upa is the Upasarga and Lal it's a Dhatu, it is in Chatur Pratyayam. Upalalayans plus tat, upalalayans tat, it is sattva sandhi. Like how we say asmane taraya, asmans taraya, like that. Upalalayanne padante nakaraha paravarnaha ta and some is the adeshaha. So upalalayanne plus tat, upalalayans tat. Tat plus alinganam, tadalinganam is justvam there. Tadalingana kalabashitadi plus abhignaha kalabashitadyabhignaha. It is in Yan Sandhi. Here, see here, Utsangagatam arbakam is one samastapadam. Okay. So Utsangam prati gataha arbakaha, Utsanga gatam gata arbakaha, tam arbakam, it is one samastapadam. Upalalayanne comes as an Shatru Pratyayam. It is a separate word. Then Tat Alinganam is a Samastapadam. Tasya Alinganam Tadalinganam. So Tat Alinganam cha Kalabashitadine Alingana Kalabashitadayaha. Tane Tesham Abhignaha. Alingana Kalabashitadi Abhignaha. Abhignaha is Abhijanati iti Abhignaha. Okay. So here Tadalingana Kalavashitadi is a one single word. It is a Samastapadam. It's a compound word. Abhignaha is Abhijanati iti Abhignaha. It goes as an adjective for Yaha, Na Bhavati. Tasya plus Eva, Tasyaiva, it is Vriddhi Sandhi. Anyat plus Anyat, again it becomes Justvam. Ramyam Bhavati. So if you want, if this word is pretty confusing, then you can split it and write without Sandhi. Tasya Eva. Anyat ramyam bhavati. Natu tat swadam vidushaha. Again, tat swadam is also in samastapadam. Tasya swadam vidushaha. Okay. Swadam is taste. I think it's, yeah. So, ayi shruyatehi bhavaha dushcharena tapasapi asadhyam lokam prajaya sadhitavantaha iti. Pitaropi putravata eva nyukte jalanjalo kutukinaha bhavanti. Utsangagatam arbakam upalalayans tadalingana kalabashitadyabhignyo yona bhavati tasyaiva anyate ramyam bhavati natu tatsvadam vidushaha. So I told you in the introductory class, if you do a Parayanam of Bharata Sangraham, your fluency in Sanskrit will improve. If you read such a long, lengthier compound word, definitely, first of all, it improves your vocabulary. Second, your style of writing will also improve. Third is your fluency in reading Sanskrit. Okay. Next. So, what is my condition now? Ahamtu yevam. So, he has said everything, all generalized statement. Ubaya loka sukam, asadhyam lokam api, prajaya sadhitavantaha, bhavaha janaha, loke, drishyante, droke, shruyate, lokoktihi shruyate, ityadikam uktam panduna. Ahamtu एवं उभयलोकसुखसाधारणे अपि अपत्ये स्वदोषेण निराशः त्रिशङ्कुरिव निरालम्बः संवृतो अस्मि धारयस्व माम् पुंसः कल्पलता खलु त्रिवर्गफलप्रसूतिः गृहिणी स्त्रीणां निसर्गसिद्धा हि निपुणता दक्षता उपायज्ञता च तद्भद्रे अनन्यगतिकं मां पुन्नाम्नो नरकात् त्रायस्व इति अश्रूणि मुञ्चन् तया ऊचे. So here, so aham tu evam ubaya sukha sadharane api apatye. So the meaning is, so but what is my situation now due to my mistake, the error, the mistake I committed by killing Kindama unknowingly, and I received that curse for not having a child. So, but due to my mistake, now I'm deprived of the happiness that I get from both the worlds. Ihaloka sukamapi gatam, आमुष्मिकलोकसुखमपि गतम्. सो पुत्रवान् पितॄन् प्रीणाति इति प्रथमं सुखं तत् गतम्. पुत्रस्य आलिङ्गनादिसुखं तथा कलभाषितादिश्रवणसुखं च अपरं सुखं तदपि गतम्. सो सुखद्वयमपि गतं मम. सो and what is the situation? निराशः is आशारहितः. So आशायाः अभावः, निर्गता आशा यस्मात् सः. आशा is desire. One whose desire is totally shattered of having a child. And how is he hanging? He is hanging without any support like Trishanku. So he tells a story of Trishanku. Trishanku was the, I think, is the father of Harishchandra. And yeah, he was a Dhiman, he was a Dharmikaha, Nyayaparaha. But he wanted to enter the Swargalokam with this with this Sharira, which is not possible. Only only a person dies. Only after that he can move out of this Ihalokam. But Trishanku was so greedy, he wanted to go to the other world with the same Sharira. So he went and approached his Kulaguru Vasishta. Vasishta denied, it's not possible, he said. Then he didn't leave. His desire didn't go. So Ashayaha ye dasaha te dasaha sarvalokasya. One who doesn't have the desire as in his control, he becomes a slave to the whole world. Asha yesham dasi, tesham dasayate lokaha. For whom the happiness is a slave, he can control everything. So now Trishanku was unable to hold control his desire. So what he did, he went and approached the sons of Vasishta. They said, no, you can't go with this Martyadeham. You have to only after a death, according to the Punya Papa Vashati, Swargova Naragova Bhavet. Iti Uktavantaha, te putraha api. But he didn't leave. So he wanted to go, then he approached Vishwamitra. Vishwamitra sent him to the Swarga in the Vishwamitra again. He wanted to prove that he is better than Vasishta. So he sent Trishanku to the Swarga in the mortal Martya Dehe. Tatra gatva, tatra na praveshaha tasya Trishankoho Swargadware. So he had to come back. Then Vishwamitra stopped him. So he was standing in the between the Bhuloka and Akashaloka. In the middle, he was hanging like a hanging bridge. So here, Pandu compares himself with that Trishanku. So, Swadevoshena, so same like Trishanku. Trishanku also was so greedy to enter the other world with the Martyadeha. So he was hanging in between, in the middle of the Akasham. So in the same way, ahamapi nirashaha nirgata asha yasmat zaha nirashaha sanne aham panduhu Trishankuriva, like Trishanku, I'm hanging in between without any support. So who is Dharayasva Mam? Dharayasva is hold me or support me. Why? It is a generalized statement. Pumsaha kalpalatagalu trivarga pala prasutihi grihini. A woman is like a kalpavriksha. Kalpavriksha is the vriksha that you see in the Swargaloka. So how is it's a wish shielding creeper. The creeper gives whatever is asked by the seeker. So here a woman is compared to a kalpavriksha. Why? And also she is the person who delivers the results of Trivargam. Trivargam is Dharma, Artha, Kamam. So without your wife, you cannot do Dharma Karyam. If somebody is coming home, when he is offering a sannyasi or a sage some alms, only the wife has to pour water to finish the duty. Dharmaha. Artho api. Even artha sanchayam api dharma margena gantavyam iti karanat patnyaha sahayaha bahu avashyakaha. Then kamaha. So to fulfill one's desire, whether it is material pleasure or sensual pleasure, he needs his wife. So Trivarga Pala Prasuti is, Prasuti means one who delivers, is called Prasuti. You might have come across this word Prasuti in Adi Shankara's Matra Panchakam. Astam Tavadiyam Prasuti Samaye. During the time of delivery, what all difficulties you underwent, Amma. That was the first shloka written by Adi Shankara in Matra Panchakam. So this word Prasuti comes there. So Pumsaha Kalpalata Kalu. Pumsaha is for a person. Grihini is a householder. Griham griham na uchyate, grihini eva griham. Kalu. So without the woman, the house is not considered as house. So grihini eva griham. So grihini is a woman. Grihastha ityartaha. So sa, a woman is like a kalpaka vriksha. It's a kalpalata. And also, she is a person who delivers the results of Trivarga Pala Dharini. Sa. So then how is she? Srinam Nisarga Siddhahi Nipunata Dakshata Upayagnata. See, this is how in Kavya Prakasham, there is a famous text called Kavya Prakasham. Mamata says, what is the purpose of reading a Kavyam? He says, Kavyam Yashase Arthakrite Vyavaharavide. Kavyam will give Yashas for a poet, and the poet can earn money by writing a Kavyam. And Vyavaharavide, it will help us to conduct ourselves in a society. So how? See, Strina, see, Pandu, before asking her, requesting her that she should help him in having a child, he should put suitable words. He can't scold Kunti and say, Amma, I want a child through you. These are the things, these are mandatory. Another 10 months, I want a child. He can't ask. There are method of approaching somebody. First, he praises the women. First, he says his mistake. Swadoshena aham trishankuriva nirashah niralambah samvrito asmi. Then, how is a grihini? Grihini is like a kalpalata, wishilding creeper. And trivarga pala prasuti, from whom all the results of the varga trayam are achieved. Then he says, Strina Nisarga Siddhahi Nipunata. See, it is very well known in the world that women are naturally clever. Nisargam is nice, Naisargikam is natural. Siddha is proved. Nisarga Siddhahi Nipunata. Nipunata is clever. Nipunasya bhavaha nipunata. And dakshata is, we say, no, dexterity, or here it means efficient. And upayajnata. Upayam janati iti upayajna. And upayajnasya bhavaha upayajnata. One who is very resourceful. So what all the adjectives he is putting in front of Kunti. So kavyam yashase arthakrite vyavaharavide. So to conduct ourselves in a society, a literature teaches all those things. So before approaching, he says, Strinam, loke, sarvasam Strinam, nisarga siddhahi nipunata, dakshata, upayajnata. So tadbatre, ananya gatikam mam, punnamo narakate, trayasva, iti ashruni munchanne, taya puche. So tadbadre, badram is, ho the auspicious one, mangalagarini. So ananya gatikam mam, anya gatihi nasti. I don't have any other person to approach. I'm helpless now. So please trayasva, please save me. From where? Narakate trayasva. Save me from the hell. From what is the name of the Narakam? Pun Narakate. There is a Narakam called Put. Putu namnaha, pun namnaha. There is a sandhi there. So pun namno narakate mam trayasva. Iti ashruni munchanne. So he was shedding tears. When such is the case, Taya Uche comes as, you have to take it to the next sentence, next slide. To whom? To such a Pandu, Taya Uche, Kunti reply. It comes as a passive. So this is the meaning of the sentence. Ahantu evam ubhayaloka sukha sadharane api apatye swadoshena nirashah trishankuriva niralambaha samvrito asmi. See, in Shakuntalam, Dushyanta, when he addresses Shakuntala, he says, Srinam Ashikshita Patutva. Nobody needs to teach anything to a woman. And in another drama, Mrichakatikam, Striyohi nama kalu etaha nisargadeva panditaha. Purushanam tu pandityam shastraireva upadishyate. So, nisargat, stri, the women are nisargateva. They are naturally uh, talented. But Purushanam tu pandityam, but the scholarship, the intelligence or the knowledge for the men, Shastraireva upadishyate. They get the knowledge from only from Shastra. So when somebody, so such are the greater merits our dramas and Shastram talk about women. So aham tu evam ubaya loka sukha sadharane api apatye. So aham niralambaha samvrito asmi. That is the main sentence. Niralambaha is alamba rahitaha. Alambaha is holding something. Niralambaha is nasti alambaha yasya saha. One for whom there is nothing to hold, uh, without any base. So I have become niralambaha. How? Aham tu evam. Evam is like this. Ubaya loka sukha sadharanam. Ubaya loka sukha sadharane is, it goes as an adjective for apatye. Ubaya lokam. Ubayaha lokaha. Ubaya lokaha. Ubaya lokaha is this loka and paraloka. So this loka, whatever we get, we enjoy here. For paralokam, we have to earn the merits by not performing the demerits. So ubayaha lokaha. Ubaya lokaha. Ubayalokasya sukam, ubayaloka sukam. So the happiness of two worlds, Ubayaloka sukasya sadharanam. Sadharanam is asadharanam, sadharanam. Asadharanam is extraordinary. Sadharanam is that is available, which is very easily not approachable, attainable. So Ubayaloka sukha sadharane api apatye. So apatyam is one, the child who fulfills the happiness that I get in this loka and paraloka. This loka, the happiness is I can enjoy his lisping words, I can hug him, I can keep him on his lap and enjoy my life. Paralokam is pitaro api santosham prapnuvanti. So, evam ubaya loka sukha sadharane api apatye. So, the son by whom the happiness in both the world are achievable or attainable. What did I do? Aham swadoshena, swasya doshaha swadoshaha. Tena swadoshena, by my mistake, nirashaha. Nirashaha is my desire is gone, is lost. Nirgataha, nirgata asha. Asha is a strilingam. So nirgata asha yasmat saha nirashaha aham panduhu. So where to whom is he compared to? Trishankuhu iva. So he is compared to Trishanku. I told you the story. Trishanku iva niralambaha. Without any support, I have become supportless. So what you have to do? Dharayasvamam. So you hold me, you protect me. So then why? Because grihini eva. Grihini trivarga pala prasutihi. So what is grihini pumsaha trivarga pala prasutihi kalpalata kalu. That is the pros. That is the anvayam for this. Grihini, a woman, is the grihini pumsaha for a man. Trivarga prasutihi kalpalata kalu. She is like a wish-shielding creeper. She is like a kalpaga vriksha who delivers the result or the palam of Trivarga. Trivarga is dharma, artha, kama. Moksha is the fourth varga. So, then Strina nisarga siddhahi nipunata dakshata upayajnata. So here Trivarga pala prasutihi goes as an adjective for grihini. So how is a grihini? She is Trivarga pala prasutihi. She is the place from where the result of the Trivarga is obtained. Then Strinam, for women, how are they? Nisarga siddha. They are naturally intelligent. It's naturally proven that they are clever, they are very skillful, and they are very resourceful. Upayajnata cha. So here nisarga siddha, strina nisarga siddha. What are siddha? Nipunata. Nipunasya bhavaha nipunata. Dakshasya bhavaha dakshata. Upayam janati iti upayajnyaha. Tasya bhavaha upayajnyata. Cha. Then tat badre ananya gatikam mam punnamno narakati trayasva. So gatihi yasya saha gatikaha. अन्या गतिः नास्ति यस्य सः इति अनन्यगतितः गतिकः. One who doesn't have any other way to move around. So I don't have any other solution for this. So ananyagatikam goes as an adjective for mom. So mom trayasva, protect me. From where? Narakat trayasva. What is from the hell? What is the name of the narakam? Punnamno narakat. Putu is the name of the narakam. Putu namnaha narakat mam trayasva. And for this mam, ananyagatikam comes as an adjective. Iti ashruni munchanne. So he was just shedding his tears. So here you have samvritaha is sam plus vrit, and it's a nikta pratyayam, and asmi, you know, and dharayasva is the dhru dharane, it is lot lakaram madhya purusha ekavachanam. Here aham tu evam ubayalokam. So tu plus evam ubayalokaha all comes as yan sandhi. Sadharane plus api plus apatya. Sadharane plus api, you have this purva rupam. Api plus apatya, you have this yan again. Swadoshena is swasya doshaha swadoshaha tena. Here ubayaloka sadharanam is ubayaha lokaha ubayalokaha. उभयलोकस्य सुखम उभयलोकसुखम उभयलोकसुखस्य साधारणं तस्मिन् साधारणे अपत्ये स्वदोषेण निराशः goes as an adjective for aham. It goes as an adjective for aham, that is Panduhu. Nirgata asha yasmat saha nirashah. Trishankuhu, then again nirashah, visarga changes to sakara there. Then trishankuhu plus iva, trishankuriva, visarga changes to repa. Then niralambaha nasti alambaha yasya saha. Alambasya abhavaha api vaktum shakyate. Niralambaha samvritaha asmi. Samvritaha plus asmi, again utvam and purva rupam. Dharayasva mam. Then pumsaha kalpalata kalu trivarga palaha. So trivargasya palam trivarga palam. Trivargaha ityukte dharma artha kama kamaha. Trivargapalam ya prasute sa prasutihi. That goes as an adjective for Grihini. Strinam nisarga siddhahi nipunata dakshata upayajnata. Tatu plus badre, tad badre, justvam. Ananyagatikam is gatihi yasya saha gatikaha. Anya gatihi nasti yasya saha ananyagatikah. Tam ananyagatikam, it goes as an adjective for mom. Then Trayasva is again Trai Palane. It is Kartari Lot Madhya Purusha Ekavachanam. And Munchanne Taya Uche. So thus he was shedding tears to that Pandu who was full of tears. To him, Kunti replied, Munchanne Taya Uche. So Munchan's Taya Uche. Again here you have this Sandhi. It is Sattva Sandhi. Munchanne plus Taya. After that Padanta Nakaram, you have that Takaram where Sakaram with Anuswara is comes as an Adesham. So Munchanne plus Taya. Taya plus Uche, you have this Gunasandhi. Iti plus Ashruni, you have this Yan Sandhi. And that's it. Okay. So Punu Putu plus Namnaha. First this Putu plus Namnaha becomes Put Namnaha by Jashtva Sandhi. Then it becomes Anunasika Sandhi by Pun Namnaha. Then Pun Namno Visarga Sandhi. Visargasya Ut. Okay. So Ahantu Evam Ubhayaloka Sukha Sadharane api apatye Swadoshena Nirashaha Trishankuriva Niralambaha Samvrutto Asmi Dharayasva Mam. Pumsaha kalpalata kalu trivarga pala prasutihi grihini. Strina nisargasiddhahi nipunata dakshata upayajnata. Cha tadbhadre ananyagatikam mam punnamno narakat trayasva. Sorry. Trayasva iti ashruni munchanne taya uche. Nata, now the speech of Kunti starts. She says, Nata kinchit shruyata. Please listen to me. Pura piturgrihe vartamanayam mayi tapasaiva akshamaya cha jwalanaiva jwalan atreyaha durvaso nama maharshihi yadrichaya agataha satkritaha mama pitaram aprichat. अत्रैव चिरं स्वच्छन्देन वस्तुम् आगतो अस्मि तदनुमन्यतां भवानिति. So she narrates the story that happened at her father's place during her early years, formative years, about the visit of Durvasa, and Durvasa wanted to stay in their Rajyam for some more time. So Durvasa was seeking the permission of Kunti's permission from Kunti's father, and she narrates the whole episode, which we'll do in the next class. Okay. Namaste. Okay. See, this Nyuttaha, ni, vap is the dhatu. Vapanam is to sow a seed. So Nyuttam is offering something. Jalanjalihi is the oblation. So Nyutte Jalanjalo, Nyuttam comes as an adjective for Jalanjalihi. And Vidushaha is, here you can't take it as a scholar, one who knows. Like that you have to take. Okay. Then, yeah, apatye is saptami vipatya only. Correct.
Do you hear me?
Yes, tell me.
See, and you told about Rahasi, isn't it? That is Shabda Rupa. What is the Pratipadikam of Rahasi?
Rahas.
Rahas.
Sakarantam.
Sakaram. Oh.
Rahaha, rahasi, rahamsi. Rahaha, rahasi, rahamsi. So rahasi will be saptami ekavachan.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Parantu. You have to unmute yourself. CMMML.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah.
Please.
So for the apatya, my question was, why was saptami vibhakti used there? The reason for using saptami vibhakti, is it apatye niralambaha, something like that? So
No. 1 minute. I will see the text. See, Ubhayaloka sadharane api apatye. So one who is the reason, or one for because of whom the Ubhayalokam can be achieved. That is the meaning for that. You are asking why Saptami is used.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, it is like Ubhayaloka sadharane api apatye vartamane or vartamanayam. When such is the case that I could have achieved both loka sukham with the help of my son, tasmin samaye maya etadrishaha doshaha kritaha.
Oh, so maybe is it a sati saptami kind of usage?
Yeah, it should be like that.
Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am.